Hello student, in this video we talk about the blog editor, and first you log in your WordPress dashboard and then go to settings, and in settings you click on writing. So the writing settings is open, and from here default editor for our user is blog editor. If the check is on classic editor, you check on blog editor, and allow user to switch editor, you may check on yes or no, and then click on save changes to save the settings. Our settings is saved. Now we create a post to use the blog editor. A new post you create from post, and click on edit new, and you also see the new and click on post to open the new post window. So we have created a new post using the blog editor. Our blog editor is open, and now we discuss the function of the blog editor, right? So click from here and toggle blog inserter. It is the all option of the blog editor. It is the blogs, right? Paragraph, heading. When you write the cursor on the list or any icon, a preview will be visible, right? The heading preview and the classic editor preview, the code preview and the quote preview, right? All the blogs are here. Media, designs, buttons, columns, groups, spacer, table of contents, widgets, all. And there is the option is patterns. It is the ready-made patterns, which is ready-made pattern which is used by the blog editor. It's when you use this pattern, it's save a lot of your time, right? There are many ready-made patterns. You choose any pattern from here, right? And it is the reusable blogs. The blogs which you have used, you also reusable blogs from here. But the more important thing is the blogs, right? So first, it is the overview or blog editor, and from here, it is the setting of your page from blog and your post, right? From here, you can create your categories, tags, featured image, right? Now first we write or post title, or post title is young classified jobs in Karachi, 13 Sep 2022. So it is the title of our post, and from here you choose also new blogs. So first we choose the paragraph. So we click on paragraph, and the paragraph will be choose, and we write about some things of our title. So I want to post these jobs, so I write about some things, right? So write latest jobs in Karachi. So I write some description, and if you want to increase the font sizes, so you click on settings, and from settings again click on setting, and from setting you change the size by default, small, medium. You also customize this size, so click on this icon and customize, and then you increase your font sizes 26, right? And from here you also change your typography, right? Letter spacing, letter case, right? And from here you can change color. So then select this keyword, and from here you see the link, right? And click on link and write your link. So I write my links URL https job.com, right? And from here you choose the open in new tab, and you also use the no follow real, right? If you want to this link is no follow, so you click on no follow, and if you want to this is a do follow backlink, so you uncheck this, right? So I want to use a do follow internal backlink, so click on this and the link is created, right? And if you want to change this link color, so you click on here link, and from here you choose your color and the link color is changed, right? And from here you change your background color. I want to change the background color, the background color will be changed, right? And from here you change your text color, and the text color will be changed, right? The text color is changed, right? All the things from you create here, right? Selected text color, also formatting paragraph, right? And from here you can bold your fonts, and from here you italic your fonts, right? All other option, you can duplicate it, you can copy this block, you can insert or before this, and also you can log this block, right? Now we want to insert our image, so press enter and click here. The block will be open, must close this, right? And click on block, and from here you search also image or gallery, and from here you also search the gallery, right? Gallery is visible, or you can search image. We just search image, so the image will be open and the gallery will also visible, right? So we choose image, the image will be open, and we direct upload. Select your destination folder, we select our folder and open it. Image will be, right? Wide width, full width, and you also change from here the align left, right? You can align center, it will be in center, right? You also change alignment from here. Alignment center, it will be in center. Alignment text right, it will be right, and alignment text left, it will be in left, right? And from here you can move your text. I want to down this and the image is up, so the text is down and the image is up, right? So from here you move your blocks, right? It is up only. And now we edit some cover photo. So from here click on cover, and from here click on cover. Close this. So we have selected media from my library. We choose some pic from library. We have all the jobs post pics. So we choose this pic just for understanding, right? So write your cover title, GOVT, job, right? It is our cover, and click on enter. You also move it. We want to move it top, so click on here and we will go to top, right? And here writer or SEO, here or SEO, right? It is or SEO. From here you write your focus key phrase, young classified jobs, right? Correct this keyword and copy it, and then it is your URL, right? And it is your meta description, the description that is visible in Google search, right? It is the SEO purpose. We discuss it is in the next classes, inshallah. And from here you change content position, right? You also click on it, and then we choose another blog, and from here we selected latest post. From here you click on latest post, right? The latest post is visible here. It is the best option of the blog editor, right? In the default it shows the 5 posts, and from here you click on settings, right? And in setting post content, all the content will be shown. It show the 55 words. We want to show minimum words, right? It show 25 words. It display the author name, so it display the author name, right? Display post date, it show the post date, right? Display feature image, if you want to show the feature image, so it show the feature image, but I does not like that. And from here you also choose your specific category. I choose the categories jobs in Karachi, right? Jobs in Karachi. So if you select the categories shown in data, all the posts will be visible in this area, right? And you also show the specific author if you want, or you show all the posts of this author in this category, right? You can increase the post number. It is the 5, you can increase it 41. Now the post will be increases, right? It will increases. We select only 23 posts. It will be increases, right? Now it will show your 23 posts from here. You also change this post alignment from here, right? It show in this search style. If you click on this area, list view, and it's showing list view, and it's from grid view. You also choose grid view, or you choose list view from here, right? There are many options. You can from here you can choose your heading, you can your list, your codes, and you choose your tables, and choose your performated markdown option. You buttons, view double T and buttons. You choose buttons, right? WhatsApp button, payments button, right? Payment button, all you button, Facebook button. From here you can choose WhatsApp button. Click on WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp button will be show, right? It will be show. Click paste here, or you are right. Will be in text here, and now them is ready to publish or post. So click on publish, and from here edit. You can also from here you can also edit your categories. So it is the WhatsApp option. Now from categories you move to the main head. So first click on main heading, and then it will show you summary, SEO, categories. Choose your categories from here, right? If you want, and then choose your tags from here. Latest jobs in Pakistan, right? Show your featured image, discussion, share button, edit to any share button. Want to show the buttons like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, so check on it, right? And then click on publish button. So it will be show you the social media platform like Facebook, Twitter. If I click on publish, this post will automatically publish on Tumblr and my LinkedIn account and my Twitter account and my Facebook account. So I click on publish, and now my post is published. So click on view post, it is our slugs, our URL, right? So our post is published, leave a comment, really park govt, it is our cover page, right? It is our paragraph, it is jobs, it post will be showing here, right? It is the chat on WhatsApp. If someone want to chat with you with WhatsApp, he click on it and there will be contact with you on WhatsApp, like. And it is our post pic, it is our search, and it is our categories or pages, right? So thank you watching for this video.